Most people get this wrong. They think all crypto exchanges are the same, but Changelly offers a unique experience that makes buying and swapping cryptocurrency surprisingly simple. Today, I'll share my honest experience so you know exactly what to expect. Changelly is a non-custodial crypto exchange, which means you don't store your funds on their platform, they go directly to your wallet. This reduces security risks compared to some centralized exchanges. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Transactions are processed quickly, often within minutes, making it ideal if you want to swap one coin for another without delays. Setting up an account is straightforward. You don't even need to verify your identity for small transactions, although larger trades require KYC verification for security purposes. Once logged in, you can choose from hundreds of cryptocurrencies and swap them with just a few clicks. For example, I recently swapped Ethereum for Solana in under 5 minutes, and the interface made it extremely easy to see fees and rates before confirming. Changelly also offers competitive rates and transparent fees. You always know what percentage you're paying, which is usually around 0.25% per transaction. Unlike some platforms where hidden fees can surprise you, Changelly's model is clear upfront. They also provide a built-in widget if you want to integrate crypto swaps on your website or app. However, there are some drawbacks. While Changelly is fast and user-friendly, it doesn't offer advanced trading features like limit orders or futures trading. It's really designed for casual investors or those who want a quick crypto swap. If you're a professional trader, you might find it limited. In conclusion, Changelly is an excellent platform for anyone looking for a fast, secure, and easy way to swap cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for beginners or casual traders who prioritize convenience over advanced trading tools. For me, the simplicity and speed were exactly what I needed. Subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews and tips to make your crypto journey safer and smarter.